Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw a 4th of July octopus. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our 4th of July octopus, let's begin with the top of the head. I'm just going to go ahead and make a little curved line right across the top here. Next, underneath this line, let's curve a line that's going to kind of come down and in. And we'll do that same thing over here, just kind of curve down and then in just a little bit. Now, right around here, let's make an oval shape for the bottom of the hat. Let's just go ahead, we're going to come out. We'll curve this around, and then we're just going to bring this right over to here. Now, you don't have to do this, but I like to draw another line right across the top here. This kind of makes the hat look a little bit three-dimensional. Now, for the top of the hat, I'm going to start right about here. Let's go ahead and draw a line that's going to come up. And then we'll do the same thing here. Draw another line that's going to come up. Then let's curve this to connect. Then we'll curve another line right here for part of the hat. Now let's work on some tentacles on our octopus. So let's start here. Let's bring this line down and around. And I'm going to come right to here. And then I'm just going to bring this line back up for one of the tentacles. I'm going to draw another line that's just going to kind of come out and down. And I'm going to put a little curve on this one. Then I'm just going to bring this line back up. We'll draw another line that's going to kind of come down here. It's going to curve up. Then we'll just bring this line back up. Then we'll do just another little wiggly line in here. Now over here, let's go ahead and make a little line that's just going to come out and then back towards the other tentacles. Then we'll make another one that's going to come out here. And you can kind of make these different sizes too. Right here, let's make one that's just going to come up. We're going to bring this right back here. And then let's make another one out here. We'll put a little curve on it, and then we'll just bring it right back towards the body. Now let's give our little octopus a face. So let's start right here, and let's begin by making a circle for an eye. Let's leave some space, and then we'll make another circle for an eye, about the same size. Doesn't have to be perfect, though. I like to make a little circle towards the middle of each eye, and then let's just go ahead and color in right around here. Now, right in the middle, let's make the mouth. Let's go down and up, and then down and up here for the mouth. Then we're going to make a nice big U shape. Then a little sad face for the tongue. And I even like to just kind of color in this part here. Now, one of the last things I want to do is draw a couple little fun things in the tentacles of our octopus. So let's start over here. Let's make a little hot dog, because what little 4th of July octopus wouldn't want a hot dog? So let's go ahead by making this kind of like long jelly bean shape. This is going to be the bun of our hot dog. We're going to make kind of like that same shape, but a little bit longer. Then we're going to make another one right here. Over here, let's make a little flag. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a little skinny rectangle shape like this, and then a little skinny rectangle shape like this. Let's make a wavy line here and a wavy line here. And we can just connect it. Right down the middle, let's make a wavy line. And we'll make one line like this. That's where the stars are going to be. Then we can do 1 and 2 more lines to give it some stripes. Now, over here, let's have our octopus holding a little popsicle. So let's begin by making a line that's going to come up. We're going to go over and down. And we'll make a little bump here. We'll make a line. And then we're just going to make this line curve up and down. We'll add another little curved line here to make it kind of 3D. Right here, I want to make a sparkler. So let's draw a little line down. And then let's put some little lines right around here to make it look like a sparkler. And there you go. There is your drawing of a fun little 4th of July octopus. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.